Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Today, let me explain you another herb, Shankapushpi, which goes by the botanical name Convolvulus floricollis, is a perennial plant native to India. It is known as morning glory, speedwheel, aloeweed in English, and in various other names in our vernacular languages: Shankini, Kambumalini, Shankapushpi, Sadafuli, Shankafuli, and with many other names. This plant is a tonic for increasing concentration, learning capabilities, mental fatigue, insomnia, stress, anxiety, depression. So let me explain you the amazing health benefits of consuming Shankapushpi powder from roots, from its leaves, and by taking Shankapushpi tea. The first important benefit is improvement in cognitive functioning. The Shankapushpi is a traditional remedy for increasing the functioning of the brain. The powerful antioxidants and flavonoids present will improve the memory capacity, brings calmness, alertness in an individual. Second important benefit is reduces mental fatigue. Those who are stressed due to work, using computer excessively, watching television for hours, learning or memorizing activities, you can take Shankapushpa tea or you can take the decoction and reap the benefits. Shankapushpi for depression. Those who suffer from depression, dementia, restlessness, you can take decoction and feel the calmness in your body. It enhances cardiac functioning. Those who have problem with heart or heart related diseases, clots, blocks, Shankapushpi helps in certain way. Stimulates digestion. Those who have problems in the stomach ulcers, it stimulates the secretion of digestive juices, thereby increases your digestive power. And it is a very good tonic for skin health. Those who want to improve the texture of the skin, those who want to get rid of skin related infections from your body, the abundance of antioxidants present in Shankapushpi will free your body from skin related ailments. Apply a mixture or a tablespoon of Shankapushpi powder with honey and rose water on your face regularly. You will get a young and rejuvenated radical skin. Shankapushpi also prevents headache. Shankapushpi holds high significance in providing relief from chronic headaches, tension. With excessive workload, you have stress, anxiety, irritated nerves, etc. And Shankapushpi is useful for many other ailments. Good for insomnia. Shankapushpi is good for anorexia nervosa. Those who feel and suffer from self-starvation. That some people feel that if I consume food and all, I'll gain weight. Such people can consume the decoction of Shankapushpi. Shankapushpi is good for all infections, hypertension, neural diseases. During pregnancy, Shankapushpa is an excellent remedy for strengthening uterus, and it also helps in preventing miscarriages. Shankapushpi is consumed along with different formulations. You mix Brahmi, you mix citric acid and other combinations along with the Shankapushpi. So take always the consultation of medical practitioners before consuming. Thank you for watching. Yeah, those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.